going first?
You.
Oh my god. I'm gonna think of something. Hang on. I see you looking at me and my friend right here. I'm gonna walk up to you and hit you in the gear. Who's going now? I don't know. You think of something. I'm gonna fuck you up twice a day. If you come to me, I'm gonna say, hey, punch you in the nuts, kick you in the dick. We don't give a fuck, we're gonna play with your gear stick. Think of something. Any random thing. Funny jokes. Random thing.
Oh my god.
Move, bitch. We're gonna fuck you up tonight. If you come near us, we're gonna punch you right. Think of something. Quick! Think of Eminem songs.
Oh shit. Fuck yeah, bitches. I'm blank.
We got something. If you need it, we gotta get you. Guess who?
Fuck with us. Oh fuck, I fucked that up.
We are friends till the end. If you fuck with us, we're gonna
pull the trigger, bitch. You fuck with us, you fuck with us. I'll come and get you in the balls. Fucking Donkey Kong. Have you got a foot long? I don't think so.
Hey, do you want fries to go with that shake?
Anytime, baby. Fucking gay, come fucking looking at me. I'll smack you in the head. Oh fuck.
If you think you got what it takes, come and join us at my place. We're gonna fuck you up from A to Z, and if you fuck with me, I'm gonna listen carefully. Mamacita, 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 mamacita. I got a mother downstairs, she's in the bedroom upstairs, and I don't know what way to go. She's having fun with cum in her dome. Oh. Elephants go right, elephants go left, elephants go up your chest. If you think you're dumb,
your dress, witches.
If you think you're dumb, if you think you're right, come with me so we can have fun tonight.
See what it looks like.